Ready? One,
No.
two. Good job.
Do it again. I can't. I got you.
Silly. You're making snow angels, Victoria. Let's see. Oh, cool.
I'm passing you, Neil. I'm passing.
Hey, Michael. You gotta sit up, Goose. Okay. What are you?
Mommy, can you make a small ball for her?
Can you get up, Michael? Hi, Michael. Snow, get up. Are you covered in snow?
Mommy, cover me with that.
Oh, no. It's too cold. What you got? What you got, Michael? Hey, Michael. Silly. Oh my gosh. Is that good? Does that feel good? Is it cold? You doing okay, Victoria? Take the sled up.
I won't.
Hey, polar bear. Hey, polar bear. Hey, don't eat the snow.
I'm a polar bear.
Don't eat the snow, polar bear.
I'm eating the job too because I'm a polar bear too.
No. Guys. So, don't do that, Victoria. That's dirty. And he's gonna fall. Michael. No. You don't eat the snow, Goose. Okay. Hey! Hey, Victoria, don't do that. He's gonna fall.
I look like Zenda.
Goose. Hey! Making a snowman? Oh, that's a good job. Is that how you make it bigger?
A lot of muscles to push it now.
A lot of muscles.
Yes.
Okay.
And no one else can do it.
Except you?
It's bigger. It's bigger. And I need more muscles to push it. Can you push it? Because you haven't got more muscles.
You think so?
Yes. And then that will be a lot more muscles. Come on, Mommy, push it.
You can do it, honey. You did that big one earlier by yourself.
Oh, yeah. How does this look?
It looks good. Ready?
It didn't land on me.
It didn't land on you.
No.
Let's see.
Now it can. Now it can.
Snow will fight, Michael.
Ah!
Don't eat that. No. Snowball fight. Snowball fight. No, give it back to him. Do you have a ball, Michael? Let me see. Cheese? I'll take your video. I'm not taking your picture. Thank you, though. Hey!
We're having a snowball fight.
Snowball fight?
Yes, again today. Come on, Mom. Make your snowball and then throw it on me.
Hey, Michael. No. Hey. Show me your head. No. Show me your head. Nuh-uh.
Mom, now mess up your camera.
No.
We don't want it to ruin. Mommy, catch.
Oh, that's a big one.